Mathematics, Chapter 3, Linear Equations in Two Variables, Class 10 CBSE. Exercise 3.1. Question number first. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Isn't this interesting? Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Let present age of Aftab be x and present age of his daughter be y. Okay. Now 7 years ago, age of Aftab would be x minus 7 and age of his daughter would be y minus 7. Clear? According to the question, we have given that the age of Aftab 7 years ago was 7 times of his daughter's age. So x minus 7 will be equals to 7 into y minus 7. Now solving this equation, we'll get x minus 7 y is equals to minus 42. 3 years hence, Aftab's age would be x plus 3 and his daughter's age will be y plus 3. According to the numerical, we have given this condition that age of Aftab after 3 years would be equals to 3 times of his daughter's age. So we can write this equation, x plus 3 is equals to 3 into y plus 3. Okay. After solving this, we'll get second equation, x minus 3y is equals to 6. Clear? Now we have two algebraic equations. You can see these are two equations, equation number first and this one is equation number 2. Now from the equation number first, we can write this equation like this, x equals to minus 42 plus 7y. Okay. Now using this equation, we'll create a table. Let's see. Now we had equation x equals to minus 42 plus 7y. Using this equation, we got this table. Okay. Now when we put y equals to 5 in this equation, we'll get x equals to 7. Again, when we put y equals to 6, this one, then we'll get x equals to 0. Clear? Again, when we'll put 7, then the value of x will be equals to 7. Clear? Now the second equation is x minus 3y is equals to 6. Again, we are finding the value of x in terms of y. X will be equals to 6 plus 3y. Again, using this equation, we can get this table. In this equation, when we'll put x equals to y equals to 0, we'll get x equals to 6. Next, again, when we'll put y equals to minus 1, we'll get x equals to 3. Again, when we'll put y equals to minus 2 in this equation, then we'll get x equals to 0. Clear? After getting these values, we can draw the graph. Now you can see the graph. This one is x-axis and this one is y-axis. Okay, and we had the equation in which we have different points in tabular form. We had points minus 7, 5, 0, 6 and 7, 7 in first table, and in second table we had 0 comma minus 2, 3 comma minus 1 and 6 comma 0. Now we'll plot these points in this graph, so we'll get final this line for these points, and for these points we'll get this line. Okay.
Now second method for drawing the equations in graph. We know that the first equation was x equals to minus 42 plus 7y. Now we will put first y equals to 0 in this equation, then we will get first point. For this equation x will be equals to minus 42 and y equals to 0. That means this one is the first point. Okay, 42 minus 42 comma 0. Now again in this equation we'll put this time x equals to 0, so we'll get y equals to 42 upon 7, that means 6. This one is the second point for this equation. The same procedure we will follow for this equation. First we will put y equals to 0, so we will get x equals to 6 and y 0. This one is the first point for second equation, and again we will put x equals to 0, so this time we will get y equals to minus 2. So we get these 2 points for second equation, and these are the 2 points for the first equation. Now we'll do the graph. Let's see. So we just drawing the graph. This one is x and this one is y axis. Okay, now first we will plot these 2 points. First is minus 42 in x axis, so minus 42 would be like here, so minus 42 comma 0, that means this one will be the point. Okay, now second point is 0 comma 6, 0 that means here, and 6 at y axis, that means here, so this point will be. Now we will match these 2 points, so this one will be the equation first. Okay, now for getting the equation second, we will plot these 2 points. Again we have 6 comma 0, 6 comma 0 will be here, this one is 6 comma 0. Okay, now second one is 0 comma minus 2, 0 comma minus 2 would be here, so this one is 0 comma minus 2. Now we will match these 2 points, so this time we get the second equation. Okay, so using this method you can easily get 2 lines in the graph. Clear?